Good day, ma'am. Welcome to JJ Restaurant. I'm one of the Solomer. May I present to your order Bell Plus Pinot Noir wine from United States. It contains 750 ml, which has 14.5% alcohol, and also has a juicy blackberry and currant, which is layered flavor of dark berries. Offer a concentrated, slightly earthy, and elegant wine. With a last texture, it was a good vintage year of the 2007. Would you like me to open the bottle for you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Did you like anything else?
No, thank you.